Hey, good evening, guys. Back with another podcast. This is a brand new episode of Own Your Voice, especially for lawyers, doctors, and chartered accountants. So, howdy, everyone. Happy August. Let's get started. So, today we'll be discussing a skill that can transform your career no matter how qualified you are. And our topic is why every chartered accountant, lawyer, and doctor must master public speaking. To help us understand this, we have a accomplished coach and trainer with us. Please welcome Rahul Ramchandran, founder and CEO of BrainQ and also of Vande Bharat Public Speaking. So, before proceeding further, hi, this is Rahul, and I'm going to introduce myself before introducing the topic and deep diving into the podcast. So, this is Rahul Ramchandran, and I have 20 years of IT experience and 15 plus years in training and coaching. I'm a veteran Toastmaster. Few of my awards and recognition as Legends and Laurel Achiever of the Year, December 25. Also, effective career coach in the AI era by IIT Madras. And just yesterday, I was awarded Seva Ratna by Axis Max Life for my contribution for people development. So, it's going to be a power packed, wonderful show. So, stay tuned. So, generally, what happens is when I give my introduction and do the session, people say they are happy to have me here and they're excited about the topic which has changed the lives. And this is also my favorite topic. My first passion is networking, and second passion is public speaking. So, this is all about the power of communication and about public speaking. So, let me begin by addressing a simple question. Many professionals spend years studying to become a lawyer, CA, or doctor. You may ask why they should invest time in public speaking. So, let me straight jump into the answer. Your degree gets you into the profession, but your communication helps you grow in the profession. The most successful professionals are usually not just the smartest, but they are the ones who can explain clearly, inspire confidence, and so also build trust. So let us deep dive into the chartered accountant segment first, and we'll come back to other segment. So most people think accounting is all about numbers. Where does public speaking fit in for a chartered accountant? Well, let me deep dive and answer that for you. So let's assume there is a client and he is asking you, the chartered accountant, can you explain how I can save tax? Many CA will know the answers of this, but if they explain it using complicated financial terms, the client will get confused rather than clarity. So now imagine there is another CA who explains the same concept with a simple story and a practical example. Do you think you will pick the person tech, getting too technical, or you're going to go with the CA who is going to tell the story? Well, I know the answer is clear. So, one, communication creates trust, and two, trust creates long term client. Now, oh, you might be thinking this is so true. So, public speaking isn't all about standing on the stage, it is about everyday conversation. Sounds confusing? Let me elaborate on it. So, every client meeting, presentation, seminar, networking event, or even an online webinar is a public speaking. Even a training is a series of speeches. So when you speak clearly, people see you as an expert. Okay, let's move on to segment number two, lawyers. Many people believe legal knowledge alone wins cases. Is that true? Well, I will answer that for you. What I would say is knowledge is essential, but knowledge without effective communication is like having a powerful engine but no fuel. A lawyer may know every law and precedent, but if the argument lacks structure, confidence, persuasion, the impact is practically reduced. The judge listens to the logic. The clients look for confidence, and communication strengthens both. So you may ask me, what is the biggest communication mistakes lawyers make? Point number one, they speak too fast. Other is reading rather than connecting. Third is poor voice modulation. Fourth is no storytelling. Fifth is weak eye contact. The good news is that every one of these skills can be developed via practice, and it is a wonderful thing to know that. Now, let's talk about segment number three. Let's talk about the docs, the doctors. Doctors already have busy schedules. Why should they know communication? Well, let me answer that for you. Patients don't just remember medicine, they remember how the doctor made them feel. A doctor may prescribe a right treatment, but a patient doesn't understand the diagnosis or doesn't feel heard. Then trust decreases. Simple, clear, understandable language, empathy, and listening carefully. These qualities build stronger patient relationship and improve patient confidence. So, whether you are a CA, lawyer, or a doctor, communication builds trust. Yes, I agree with that. Absolutely. So, knowledge gives credibility, communication creates influence, and when both come together, career grows and career goes faster. So, many professionals say, I am shy, I have stage fear, I can't speak perfect English. What should I tell them? Well, I would say you don't need to have a perfect English to become a powerful public speaker. People connect with clarity, people connect with confidence and authenticity. Second, confidence is a skill, it's not a gift. Nobody is born as a great speaker. Great speakers are made, not born. Every great speaker was once nervous, but practice change everything. So you might ask me, can I share a practical tip for you guys, which can be used immediately? Well, definitely, I would be happy to share that. So before any important conversation, you need to remember the three C's. First is the content. You know what is your key message. Second is confidence. You need to deliver it with energy. And third is connection. Make audience feel understood. If you focus on these three, content, confidence, and connection, your communication improves instantly. You might be thinking, wow, that's a wow, wonderful framework. Before we wrap up, I would like to give you a message for the professionals listening today. So, here is my message. Never let your knowledge remain hidden. because of the fear. Your voice can open doors. It can build a reputation. It can help you lead teams. It can attract better clients. It can create opportunities that degrees alone cannot. Invest in your communication. It is one of the highest return of investment you will make. So I feel that is beautifully said. And what can the listeners learn from me? Well, that is what I'm going to share right now. I would love to invite all chartered accountant, lawyers, doctors, entrepreneurs, and working professionals to join my new platform, Vande Bharat Public Speaking, where we have 10 regional languages of public speaking and more. And this program, what we are offering to you is Own Your Voice by BrainQ in collaboration with Vande Bharat Public Speaking. It is 14 hours of live learning, followed by 100 hours of guided practice. You will learn how to overcome stage fear, how to structure impactful speeches, communicate with confidence, and become an influential speaker in the profession. To know more, WhatsApp +919892413717. Your knowledge deserves a powerful voice. So, thank you for being a wonderful audience and hope my uh, tips are invaluable to you. And thanks for everybody listening. So, here are some final thoughts. A degree may open the door, but the communication opens hearts, minds, opportunities. So, until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, own your voice. Hasta la vista. Have a wonderful August month and do reach out to me. I'll be happy to connect with you on a discovery call. Take care and have a good evening.